How to get Uber Eats working promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. As this is the legit website, in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $20 off, $15 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Uber Eats. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, log into your account, browse through the menu, select the items that you're going to order and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as on this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. So this is how you can easily find Uber Eats working promo code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.